Look, take a look. Take a look. Take a look at this. Take a look at this. It's actually it's working again. It's not working again. It's spinning. It's spinning again. I don't know. I don't know if it actually still works, but at least it spins again. I think it's been 1 minute. It's spinning again. Switch to 9 minutes. Hey, yes. Look at this. I'm switching it. I spent so much time trying to get it to work. That's awesome that it still works. Never mind, I'm trying to do it again. But it needs to wash again as well. But we're not gonna do that yet. I'm so happy that it's still working. That it's working again. Now the owner can say good morning again. I'm so glad that it is moving again. It's fixed. It's actually fixed. Look. You have the dryer next to it. It was not done when when it said it was done, but it it did that because I switched it to no spin, but it's fixed. You're looking inside the drum now. Well, now I'm moving more back. I'm trying to make it good. I think the drum is gonna move again. I think that's moving. I don't think that's going to be switching. But it works, and that's incredible.